you seeing the fluctuation on the 704 batch?
Yes, moisture is spiking. Let's flag it for reevaluation.
This stage softens the peels for oil release.
Check the temperature on tumbler 3. It's spiking slightly above tolerance.
I see it. Adjusting the rotation speed now.
We need to reduce the RPMs on Unit 3.
Decreasing speed by 5%.
The separation efficiency is holding steady. Good work.
Chemical balance is optimal. The flow rate looks consistent.
Agreed. We are cleared for the next phase.
Everything looks stable here. The temperature is precise.
Yes, I show uniform circulation across all coils.
The water injection rate seems optimal for removing the gums.
Yes, the separation is clearly visible in this window.
The alkaline solution is carefully injected to neutralize the free fatty acids, ensuring the quality of the final product.
Tall drying columns remove moisture under controlled vacuum pressure. Inside the glass inspection panels,
Vacuum holding steady at 10 millibar.
Steam pressure is optimized. We have approval to increase the flow rate.
The temperature is holding steady at 20 degrees. Confirmed. We've reached stable storage conditions.
The cooling rate seems optimal. The longer chain paraffins are separating nicely at this temperature.
Yes, the yield looks promising.
Look at this peak at 4.2 minutes.
Consistent with the previous batch.
peak torque held steady at 25 Newton meters.
Good. The variance is minimal across the last 10 samples. Look at the pressure spike at minute 4.
Acknowledged. We are seeing structural fatigue at the seal.
As the bottles pass through the intense warmth, the sleeves shrink tight. This shimmering mirage effect
The load has shifted. Stability is compromised at the top layer. I'm noting this for the floor supervisor. This trajectory shows a potential bottleneck near section 7.
I see it. Reroute the next 3 units to the auxiliary path.
With millisecond precision, the automated system lifts the pallets high into the racks, confirming placement instantly via RFID validation.
Keep an eye on the metrics for the eastern shipments.
Looks good. The automated gates are handling the volume efficiently.
GPS validation confirmed. Manifest synchronization complete.
Noted. Sending the clearance signal now.
Truck 34, you are clear for exit ramp 2. Maintain interval.
Confirmed, 34 is away. Next up is 52.
We have a temperature spike on the Atlantic route. Check the logs for the Singapore shipment.
Rerouting initiated. The new ETA is updated on the main board.
The limonene profile is exceptionally clean on this batch.
Yes, the signature confirms premium grade. We can approve the lot.
Look at the levels on the lead readings here.
Yes, the contamination is significant in this batch.
Keep the flow steady. We're holding at 500 microns.
Adjusting the intake now.
Purity levels are stable at 99%.
Good. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The water recovery rate is lagging behind target.
I see that. Let's adjust the intake algorithm for the Texas plant.
The spectrophotometry results confirm the increased limonene content. And the chiral analysis looks promising for the natural categorization.
Pressure is holding steady at 500 kPa. Aromatic intensity is peaking.
Noted. The diffusion rate is optimal.
Initiating the nightly shutdown sequence now. Indicators are shifting to blue.
Acknowledged. All systems nominal. Logging the standby mode.
Pressure looks good on vessel 3.
Confirmed. Sanitation levels are optimal.
These autonomous sanitation units utilize powerful rotating brushes and concentrated UVC light to sterilize.
The readings are holding steady at 0.4.
Good. Let's log that and move to the next section.
Let's look at distribution. See those yellow indicators?
Yes, potential bottleneck in Sector 4, we should reroute. Your station is C4. The details are on your badge.
Confirmed. Proceed to the main floor.
The predictive model confirms the efficiency gains across Sector 7.
The energy consumption figures are stabilizing as expected.
The North American route shows a 20% increase in demand.
Our Q3 production forecast can meet that easily.
Excellent. Proceed as planned.
The digital audit log is finalized. Can you confirm the Annex B certifications? Yes, they match the physical documents. I'll sign the release form now.